Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to dictate a letter in any language. Friends, if you want to dictate a letter but want to save your time in typing long letter, then you can do it very easily by using speech to text. So first you need to open Google Docs. Now here open a new document. Now here click on Tools. In Tools you will find Voice Typing. Now from here you can change it to any language. First I will show you by dictating a letter in English language. To start typing, click on this mic icon. To the principal. Central School. New Delhi. Subject. Application for a leave. Respected sir, due to some health problem, I will not be able to come to school tomorrow. So please do the needful. With regards, Ankit Walia. So friends, as you can see, I have very easily typed a letter in English language. So like this, you can very easily type a letter in other language also. I just show you by typing a letter in Hindi language. Principal, Central School, नई दिल्ली. महोदय, आपसे निवेदन है कि तबीयत ठीक ना होने के कारण मैं कल स्कूल नहीं आ पाऊंगा. धन्यवाद. अंकित वालिया. So friends, as you have seen, I have typed a letter in English language as well as in Hindi language also. So friends, like this you can very easily dictate a letter in any language. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.